This is the Ranger 600. In one of our former videos we asked you if we should make it a bush plane, and that's what we've done. The build was pretty simple. We used the UMX Timbers gear and a bit of carbon to protect the airframe. Right after all batteries were charged, we went straight ahead for a maiden. The maiden went well, but we did notice the drag from the landing gear right after the takeoff. That means it didn't glide as good as before and we need to trim it a bit. After a successful maiden, it was time to test what this plane could do, so we took it to some tighter locations. This included flying over the bridge with style and also a few fails.
Try to throw it. Yeah.
We had a lot of fun at the open spaces too. Also met up often to fly it with the UMX Timber together.
That was me.
After a lot of flying though, the landing gear broke, so we removed it. Meant one last challenge of our testing series with this bird, glider toes.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. You used to try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
If you like this video, feel free to hit the like or even subscribe button and tell us what plane you wanna see tested next. Don't miss the runway or lose your gear. See you in the next one.